everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the finished jewelry for the Potomac Beads Treasure Subscription Nature Lover for June. It says whether you collect shells from the beach, press and preserve leaves from nature walks, or admire the stunning iridescence of a dragonfly wing, this Nature Lover treasure box has something for you. So, and this was everything in the box. I did an unboxing. I'll leave the link below. And I wanted to show you, I want to show you this. We got this wood piece and I ended up gluing some of the beads in here. I'm making like a little picture, but I'm one of those people, if I'm not in a creative mood or I'm not being inspired by something right now, I set it aside. I do this with my artwork too. Sometimes my paintings can take a year to finish because if I'm not feeling it, I put it aside. So I started this and I took 2 of those beads and I glued them in, but now I'm kind of working on what I'm going to do there. So this will probably show up in a later video, but I thought this was so pretty, this wood disc. So I just wanted to show you this. That's kind of like a work in progress. So I have that. Then I made this necklace and I showed you one of my techniques for these leaf beads. I did another video then afterward showing different beads and different leaves and just different beads in general that you can do. I tie the 4 beads together and it just makes like this fun, like a spacer, but it's, you know, like leaves. So you see it moves around. So I did that, and then I put the wood beads in between along with the crystal bicones, the blue. And then I did the fire polish beads and the copper in between. And I loved the way this turned out. Then I just took one of my copper, I did this on bronze wire, like a copper bronze. Then I did my copper lobster clasp and jump rings and the crimp beads. And I loved this necklace. I was looking at these leaves for a while. That's why my tutorial was late, because I was looking at these leaves for a while and I'm like, what do I want to do with these? I'm not really sure. This is just a fun, chunky boho necklace. Perfect for summer, or this could even go into autumn. You know, when you're wearing a sweater and you want something that kind of stands out over your sweater or your shirt. So I did this. Love this. Then, let me put this aside. Then I did these really pretty, now I didn't do a tutorial for these because these were just the earrings that I made. But I did these little dragonfly wing earrings with the seashell at the bottom. And I did one of the labradorites and the crystal bicones. And their seed beads. So I just took an eye pin, put these on, then I took a head pin and connected those on. And then just put a ear wire on, and I thought these turned out really cute. So I could even wear these with this if I wanted to. This could go as a set. Thought this would be really pretty for like a birthday present for somebody or something like that. But I loved the dragonfly wings. These are so pretty. I really like this month's box, and I will, not sure what I'm doing with this yet, but I will finish this off hopefully in the next couple weeks, and then I will show you guys. I'll just add it on to like next month's unboxing or something for it, so you can see that. So I will leave the links below to the treasure subscription best bead box. And I hope you enjoyed this finished jewelry video. And let me know down in the comments what you think and if you do get the Potomac bead box or not. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.